Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart your career in consulting with one of the top global firms? You are at right place. KPMG Global Service (KGS) is hiring for associate consultant for their Gurgaon location. This is your chance to work with a dynamic team, gain hands-on experience in reporting, project management, automation tools, and stakeholder management to boost your professional growth. So the job roles and responsibilities is going to be of associate consultant. Now let's directly jump to the responsibility section that they have mentioned. So what you as a employee is gonna do at KPMG if you join it as associate consultant? So your roles and responsibilities are going to be like reporting and analysis, project management, stakeholder engagement, personal development. So what you would be doing, like preparing weekly and monthly dashboards, monitoring the compliance with timesheets, managing onboarding timesheets, tracking invoice data, databases. Along with that, you will provide monthly and ad hoc reports to key stakeholders. You will also get continuous learning and skill enhancement opportunity, and you would be giving the feedback and improving performances continuously at one of the biggest organizations like KPMG. So these all are going to be the main responsibilities at KPMG, and you will also be involved into other project management things like tracking data related invoicing, managing everything. And why one who can apply? So let's come to the eligibility criteria for this particular role. They haven't mentioned anything, but as per the skills and the knowledge required, we can just expect them to require a graduate degree. So if you are having a graduate degree in any field like computer science, IT, or any other background with strong analytical and reporting skills, along with the knowledge of automation tools like Tableau, Power BI, Alteryx, etc., then you are good to go. And also, if you as a professional must have a excellent verbal and communication skill and a proficiency in MS Excel, because this role is going to be of consultant. So a strong communication is must. And now let's come to the very important question, that why one should join KPMG Global Service. So you will get to work with one of the global recognized brand, and along with that you will get the opportunity for career growth and professional development. You will also get diverse and inclusive work culture with hybrid model, everything, and you'll get the great exposure to automation and data driven decision making. So if you are passionate about data analytics, consulting, and project management, this role at KPMG Global Service is a golden opportunity to accelerate your career in a fast-paced professional environment. So apply now from the link that I would be mentioning in the description. Stay updated on job openings. Join our WhatsApp group and channel, along with the Telegram channel that I have mentioned in description. Like, share, and subscribe for more job updates and career guidance. Stay ready on a career journey. That's it from my end for today, and see you in the next video.